In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flashcards in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that not only helps you organize your projects and ideas, but also serves as a powerful study aid. Whether you're prepping for exams or just trying to brush up on your knowledge, creating digital flashcards can make the process efficient and engaging. Let's dive into how you can do exactly that. To begin, we'll navigate to Notion. If you haven't already, open up your browser, type Notion into your search bar, and head to the official Notion website. It's always a good idea to sign into your account if you aren't logged in yet. Once you're on your Notion page, locate the small arrow at the top. It's positioned in the upper part of your screen. It might look like a little drop-down or navigation arrow. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Right there, you'll see an option labeled Templates. This is your gateway to exploring the full potential of Notion's customizable features. Click on Templates. Now, in the search bar within the Templates tab, type Flashcards. It's as simple as that. Seamless and straightforward. After you've typed in flashcards, you'll see a variety of options pop up. You might see a few templates at the top, but don't rush just yet. There's often a See All option, which will give you a broader view of the choices available in the template library. Click on either the flashcards template directly or hit See All to explore more possibilities. Once you've identified the flashcards template that suits your needs, it's time to make it your own. Simply click on the Add button you'll see next to the template. This action allows you to bring that template into your workspace, where you can start customizing it specifically for your needs. Now, after you click Add, you'll need to choose where you want to add the template. You'll notice the option to Add to Private. Click on this to ensure that your flashcards are stored privately in your workspace. This keeps them organized and easily accessible for your personal use. And just like that, you've successfully set up a digital flashcard system in Notion. With this, you're all set to customize the template further by adding your questions and answers. Use it to enhance your study sessions or to just keep snippets of information handy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this guide has made the process of creating flashcards in Notion a little less daunting and a lot more approachable. Stick around for more tips on how to get the most out of your Notion workspace. Until next time, happy studying!